Hey, it's Indy Tommy from Indy Tommy Tips. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to mend together a slipper that's come apart from its sole using silicone and some clamps. This other slipper, I siliconed together last year with clear silicone, making the repair almost invisible. Go into my cabinet. What do we got? It's silicone, but oh no, it's almond colored silicone. It'll work. Find my caulk gun out in the garage. Get some clamps for this project. We'll need 4 clamps. Working on top of my wife's new granite top, put a paper towel down. I loaded the gun. Separate the top part of the shoe from the bottom. Pull it back, adding the silicone. Putting it inside and all around, making sure not to put too much in it because it'll run over the sides when it's clamped down. Just got to push this down for now. But before I add the clamps, I should have done this before I siliconed it. And that's to insert a piece of cloth inside the shoe, stuffing it all the way in to the front to keep the shape of the slipper intact when it's dried. Okay, adding this first clamp to the right side, clamping it close to the edge as possible, making sure it doesn't spring off. Attaching another one, a non-matching metal clamp. Doesn't matter what kind of clamp it is, as long as it does what you're asking it to do. Talking about a variety of clamps, look at this clamp. It's a ratchet clamp, and we're going to attach it right here. Now we're on the other side of the shoe, and we're going to take this really hard to squeeze clamp and attach it here. These 4 clamps should hold it. Yep, more almond silicone is squeezing out. Definitely going to see a color difference when this dries. Looks like a real mess, Tom. Here's an over-the-shoulder view of the slipper. You can see the cloth that I jammed inside there. The cloth helps keep its uniformity within the shoe while it's being glued. Okay, gonna let this thing set up. It should be thoroughly dried and ready to wear in the next 24 hours. Okay, it's the next day. By the way, silicone repairs of this type also works on boots, sneakers, loafers, your toothbrush, whatever. The key to make this thing work is to make sure that the items that you're repairing are clean and dry, free of dirt and oil. You don't need to buy expensive shoe glues to make this thing work. A simple $3 tube of silicone does the job for us. Please consider a thumbs up and subscribing. For Indy Tommy Tips, I'm Tommy. I hope you'll come back again.